Damping off is the seedling failure that catches even experienced growers by surprise because it appears after germination success. The seeds germinated. The seedlings emerged. Progress was visible. And then within days, the seedlings collapsed at the soil line, stem tissue that appeared healthy becoming soft, brown, and unable to support the plant above it, causing the seedling to fall over and die within hours. For most growers who experience it the first time, the loss feels random and inexplicable. It is neither. Damping off is a fungal disease with specific causes, specific conditions that allow it to establish, and entirely preventable through management of those conditions at the germination stage before the seedlings are present to be lost. The fungi responsible for damping off, primarily Pythium, Rhizoctonia, and Fusarium species, are ubiquitous in garden soil and in unsterilized potting mediums. They are present in virtually every growing environment in concentrations that are harmless to established plants with robust root systems and stem tissue. What makes seedlings specifically vulnerable is the combination of thin, soft stem tissue at the soil line during the earliest growth stage and the warm, moist, poorly aerated conditions that seedling trays create, conditions that are ideal for seedling germination and simultaneously ideal for fungal growth, which means the grower optimizing for germination is simultaneously creating the environment that damping off requires. The causative chain is straightforward. Fungal spores in the growing medium germinate and grow when soil moisture is high, air circulation is limited, and temperatures are in the warm range. The emerging seedling's stem tissue at soil level is the softest, most vulnerable tissue in the plant during the first 2 weeks after germination. The fungal hyphae colonize that tissue before the stem has lignified, causing the cellular collapse that manifests as the sudden toppling of an apparently healthy seedling. By the time the collapse is visible, the fungal colonization of the stem tissue is complete and the plant cannot recover. Prevention rather than treatment is the only effective management approach, because by the time damping off is visible, treatment is irrelevant. Prevention operates through the growing medium and the physical conditions of the germination environment rather than through fungicide application, which is less effective than environmental management and introduces chemical inputs that are unnecessary when the underlying conditions are correctly managed. Clean, sterile, well-draining growing medium is the first line of prevention because it eliminates the fungal inoculum that garden soil and unsterilized potting mix carry. A dedicated seed starting medium that has not been used or opened previously carries essentially zero fungal load at the point of use. Reusing growing medium from previous seasons or using garden soil and seed trays introduces the fungal populations that damping off requires. The Sulet 60-cell seed starter kit, 3 sets, strong seed trays with humidity domes, cell trays, and seedling heat mats, provides the controlled germination environment that addresses the physical conditions of the damping off problem alongside the medium management. The humidity dome maintains consistent moisture without the pooling and saturation that open tray watering creates, and the cell design provides the drainage that prevents the waterlogged soil conditions that fungal growth requires. These are not features, they are the physical properties of the germination environment that determine whether damping off can establish. The link is in the description. Air circulation after germination is the second prevention element that most seedling guides do not address clearly. The humidity dome that aids germination should be progressively vented and eventually removed as the seedlings emerge, because the sealed humid environment that aided germination is the same environment that supports continued fungal growth once seedlings are present and vulnerable. Transitioning from sealed germination conditions to circulating air over 3 to 5 days after emergence reduces the atmospheric humidity at the soil line where damping off colonizes stem tissue, and that reduction is often sufficient to prevent establishment even in medium with a moderate fungal load. Subscribe to Hydrohaven. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.